If you drive a Jeep Grand Cherokee, chances are you love convenience. But what if that push-button start just won't work? Let's break it down. First things first, check your key fob. Dead battery? Your Jeep won't recognize the key, so try a spare fob or replace the battery. Next, check your brake pedal. You have to press it firmly while starting. Light taps won't cut it. Still nothing? Make sure your Jeep is in park or neutral. It won't start in drive or reverse. If that doesn't fix it, look at the battery under your hood. A weak or dead car battery is a common culprit. Listen for clicking sounds or dim dashboard lights. These are warning signs. Don't forget about your fuses. A blown fuse can interrupt the ignition circuit, so check your owner's manual for the fuse box location. If your Jeep still refuses to start, the problem could be a faulty brake switch, bad starter, or an issue with the steering lock. At this point, it's time to call a professional. To sum up, check your key fob, brake pedal, gear position, battery, and fuses. If all else fails, get expert help. No need to panic. Most push-start issues are simple fixes. Stay calm, follow these steps, and you'll be back on the road in no time.